threat, it's Aaron Ramsey. There's the cutback, there's the chance, and there's the opening goal. Absolutely superb. And Arsenal's big money signing has got a big goal on the big stage. Mesut Ozil for Arsenal. Well, you talk about world-class finishing, and we've just seen it there. We have just seen it from Mesut Ozil. But Aaron Ramsey once again involved. Ozil, intelligent movement in the...
Here's Ozil, and Giroud is waiting! Arsenal hit the front early!
Well, it's all down to the first touch of Ozil. A wonderful first touch to pull the ball down as it's coming over his left shoulder.
It is Ozil, and it is in! Practice makes perfect! Great hit by the German.
Well, you automatically look at this.
Ball came quicker to Giroud. Here's Sanchez. Half has done well. Oh, Sanchez nearly got the chance.
What a touch that is from Mesut Ozil. He's meant to do it as well. Absolutely outstanding. Snapping away, but it's cleared in the end by Mertesacker. Lovely touch from Ozil. Olivier Giroud is through and scores. Well, he managed to rescue it, Olivier Giroud, in the end to beat Brad Guzan.
And it's the kind of contribution from Mesut Ozil that he'll be delighted with. His teammates will as well.
On that occasion, but Marcelino and Arsenal come forward. Is there to be a fourth? There is! Mesut Ozil scores! Arsenal score their fourth. Oxlade-Chamberlain races on here. Lucas wraps it inside, and Arsenal have a flip. Lucas with a hand, it's two for Mesut Ozil. And it's another typically Arsenal finish to a good... All 2 points in the bag for Arsenal here again. The shot comes in, and there is the hat-trick. Lucas with the assist. Mesut Ozil has scored all three. 3 goals for him, 6 goals for Arsenal. It is all one-way traffic at the Emirates Stadium. Credit has to go to Lucas with a good ball in. Keeping the group alive at the moment. What a ball bound, and he brilliantly played. Ozil! Yes! The best things come to those who wait, and he made us all wait. Worth waiting for.
Mesut Kolaşinac bir kez daha Mesut sokuldu ceza alanına, verdi aldı, Mesut içeri çevirdi, Civo attı golü. Nefis bir atak, şiir gibi atak Arsenal'de. Mesut Özil atan mimarı, bitiriş Olivier Giroud.
No esperaba otra cosa de él, algo parecido.
Oh, el taconazo, la calle, gol. Qué gran gol ahora acaba de conseguir el Arsenal. Gol colectivo, aunque el remate final ha sido de la calle, pero el taconazo de Will es de los que casi es una asistencia que vale por medio gol. Here's Ozil, Lacazette, Ozil! Arsenal are walking in a winter wonderland. What a turnaround! Extraordinary at the Emirates. Liverpool shake their heads. Alexis, que va al segundo esfuerzo, al segundo intento, que volea, qué golazo. Cómo ha enganchado la pelota con la pierna izquierda Mesut Özil. Al final de todas las opciones de remate ha terminado entrando la más difícil. Lo decíamos hace un rato, Özil te puede desesperar, te puede enamorar.